Hello, hello! It is Saturday and myself, Teresa, we have Lily here doing some painting and Shayna working on the floor for the Nabi Tiny House. And so it's coming along. We love putting on the finishing details, but there's a lot more to do. So if you're ever looking forward to getting some building skills in the future, we got to keep working on this one and get it in, tip-top shape. So today we cut some trim and installed it. The stuff that Lily was painting here, we did some corner trims as well. Before there was like foam insulation showing. It didn't look so nice. Shayna's continuing to work on the floors, so that looks really nice. There was definitely some jigsaw pieces, and so she did a really good job. And Tony has been working really hard on this house, and I don't know if you've seen this, but wow, there's a water heater, a brand new water heater. So we did the lines to the water heater. As you can see, there's also the electrical, and he tested it with the electrical at least, and the light inside worked. So that means that is working, and I think we still have a little bit more testing to do on that, but we're really excited that the progress is being made on this house. And that's it. Bye, and we hope to see you at a build in the future, or just keep watching and we'll keep sharing the progress of Nabi the Tiny House.